So every single video that I've posted in this channel has been shot on the DJI Action 4. And I chose this camera because I wanted something that was of a smaller form factor and was cheaper to buy. So it has been a great introduction into the world of videography, photography. And I think that every creator that is just starting should invest in something cheaper with great quality so that they can learn if they want to stay in the content creation world. When the GoPro team announced that they were introducing a new series of cameras in its lineup, which is called the Mission 1, I thought it was something great for upcoming creators because it addresses the challenges that come with making videos, which is creators often have to buy high-end cinema cameras in order to get in the content creation journey. So what is the Mission 1 series? It's not replacing the GoPro Hero series, but it is just, they're calling it, I wrote this down, they're calling it a compact cinematic camera system that will be for creators that want the smaller form factor but also want great image quality. Okay, so the first camera is going to be called the Mission 1. The Mission 1 is the first camera in the series, and it's going to be able to shoot 4K at 120 frames per second and 8K up to 30 frames per second. I don't know yet if it will be able to shoot OpenGate, but the second one, the Mission 1 Pro, will be able to shoot 4K up to 240 frames per second and 8K up to 60 frames per second, which is just a little bit higher than the first one, the Mission 1. And this one will definitely be able to shoot OpenGate. When I say OpenGate, it just means it shoots with the full sensor. Then afterwards, you can be able to crop in and do a vertical or horizontal frame after in post-production. And the last one, this is the most interesting one. They're calling it the ILS, which means interchangeable lens system. What do they mean by this? It's just a small action cam form factor, but you can be able to change lenses, like real lenses, cinema lenses. So overall, I think that the Mission 1 series is great for starting creators because of the small factor, and that is combining that with the larger sensor, which means great image quality. And I think that's all that matters, the small form factor and the better image quality than other action cams. And I think it would be great for someone who's starting up. Stay tuned for upcoming videos. I might actually try to get my hands on one of those in the future. Subscribe, comment. What do you think about the Mission 1 series? Would you get one for yourself? Thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Peace.